Hey guys, I'm back. This Maker here. We're gonna be playing. Um, mm, let's try Epic Cloud. Sorry I haven't been making a lot of videos lately. Um, my microphone decided just to stop working, but I fixed it. Um, I'm. So this is. I don't think I've shown you guys this, but this is my plot. I have a beacon. Gives me speed. Jump boost. It was It was gonna be between speed and jump boost because um the jump boost it only did a block and a half, so it wasn't really worth it. And yeah, and it's just gonna rain, of course. What the heck was that? Did you guys see that? Um. Okay. Well, it was raining. If you didn't hear that or anything, it was raining, and then all of a sudden it just stopped. That was weird. What pickaxe? Where is it? That's right. Nope. The Titan. The hero. Wait, no. Oh my gosh. So, used to be on G, but, now I'm just on D. I used to be on G because, um, and then the reason I'm back down to D is because if you don't play the server enough, then it will it'll lower you, and yeah. So mining. Sorry if it's too dark. Um, so maybe here. I will be right back. So, I'm back and I decided to change servers. This one would just be boring. I'd just be mining and mining a lot. So, I'm gonna go on a Mineplex. Okay. Do you hear that? Is that like, oh, it's Halloween. Duh. I don't know what happens when I click on that. Ooh. I wanna try this one. Oh. There we go. Would you like to download and install it? Yes, please. Lag. What is this? This is like the first time I played this. Really don't know what I do with the heck? So that lets me leap, and the other one throws snowballs. Gosh, there's this weird music in the background. If you can hear it, I don't know if you can, but holy crap. Okay, I'm back. Yes. Oh, that's probably what the resource pack is doing. It's probably making. Not probably, it is. Oh my gosh. A chest. Nothing's in it. Of course. Gosh, I can't concentrate with all this background noise. Die. Wait, so who am I supposed to be killing? I'm gonna guess this. Okay, that was a little bit weird. The lag. There's so much lag. What do I look like? Okay. So much freaking lag. Oh, I'm gonna die. Yeah, my frame rate is being just simply dead. Yeah, it's in the ones and twos. Holy crap. What does this do? It's just a bow. I'm gonna guess it shoots arrows. Holy crap, I'm gonna die, aren't I? Okay, I'm gonna pull out my icy sword. Is it gone? Please be gone. Oh, it obliterated into like 200 other zombies. Okay, that's... Ooh, a book. Can I... Holy crap. That was kind of weird. Now there's cave sounds. Yeah. I'm gonna do some parkour if that's what this is. Is this parkour? I think this is. What the heck? Oh, hi. I'm gonna open the door and I'm gonna smack you silly. Ow! No! Holy crap! They're everywhere! Or was that just one? That's a little weird if that was just one. The spiders. I'm just gonna. Ow! Told me to look up, so I looked up, but that wasn't smart, because now I'm dead. Okay, I'm gonna go to the freaking hub. Oh, my ears. Okay, that was loud. Holy crap. Sheep quest. So, oh, Snake! Snake is back. Oh my gosh. I've wanted to do Snake forever. No! Don't do this to me. I always wanted to play Snake. And finally it came back. Snake came back. Gosh. Oh my gosh. You know. Oops. Blocks. Hostile. What? What?